This is Colt Hamilton here with Hamilton Native Outpost. We're out at Triple V Ranch today with a friend of ours, Charles Vance, and he is going to tell us what is exciting to him about native warm season grass. So what is it you like?
I like the fact that you don't have to keep feeding it like you do everything else, fertilize it and everything every year. It stays pretty hardy. The cows like it. It's not near the trouble as what fescue is to keep going and keep the cows going on it and everything. Don't cause near the health problems and stuff on it. Cows stay a lot cooler in the summer with it. They do real good on it.
And you've been doing farming for a while.
Yep. Been doing it since I was old enough to crawl, just about old enough to walk.
Kind of people I like. And so you've been doing it, mostly you've been haying it.
Mostly haying it, and I'll kind of graze it after it comes back after I mow it. Leave about half of it and then take them out until it gets about into the dormant season. Then I'll turn them in and let them have it.
And this is the first planting you did that you're standing
first planting here, going on fourth year, I think, if I remember. I think it was in 2021 when I done it.
And you cut it for hay this year in about July 15th or 20th.
Somewhere around that second weekend in July.
Got pretty good regrowth. You can see there about these boots there. You got you about a foot and a half of regrowth up off the ground. Coming in fairly thick again. And you'll probably pasture this again in another 15, 20 days.
15, 20 days, 2 weeks, something like that. Just
Then pull off before frost. Let it go. And over here on the other side of the fence, he's put in a new planting that you're going to more pasture.
I'm going to pasture it for this year, and then next year I'll pasture it, and then probably about the third year I'll try to mow it if I can. Give it time to get good and established.
Well, that all sounds really good, and it's exciting. It feels good. Nature feels good.
Yeah.
Anything else?
I've kind of learned that even while you're doing it, if you got questions, don't hesitate to ask Colt what you need to do, or Elizabeth, either one. They'll walk you through it and tell you what you need to do and everything on it. And I've kind of realized and noticed that the first 2 years you may not think you've got much of anything but weeds, but wait until that third year, and after you pasture it off, you'll be really amazed at how it comes out. It'll just blow your mind.
Yep.
I know my hay production of this field right here we're in, just 2.9 acres. I made 9 bales and 24 off of it, and 25 this year. I made 14. It just keeps gaining on it and getting better.
Keeps adding up, doesn't it?
And that makes a difference when you do that and don't have to fertilize. You make a world of difference. Last time I fertilized it was when I put it in working through with the NRCS on it. And I ain't done any fertilizing or anything to it since.
It doesn't look like it needs it, does it?
Nope. So far, the way Colt showed me and kind of talked me through how to do it, it's coming on like I want it to do. It does real good.
Well, we enjoy that part, doing the customer service and helping people get started.
I can tell you one thing: when you open the gate when it's still green, don't stand in front of it, because the cows will run over you if they don't watch out there. I found that out. I just had to step out of the way. They already knew what it was.
They could go for that.
They could tell the difference in the grass. Just that easy.
Well, this has been Colt Hamilton here with Charles Vance, and glad he invited us out to look at his plantings and kind of help us out by making a video. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome anytime.
The Native Outpost make these videos to share the unique knowledge that we have gained from over 40 years of working with native plants as we raise and sell native grass and wildflower seeds. If you found this video helpful, we need your help to get the message out. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. It helps others to find us. Thank you.